This is going on YouTube. Bridget has officially gone onto YouTube. How do you feel?
I don't care.
She's screaming on the inside.
Well, see, as long as you put me near, you know, Chad with Nickelback, I'm cool.
I'll make sure I make a tag Nickelback.
I'm not a freak, I swear.
She says that now. Look, it's 11:42. That's the Jonas Brothers. That's Kelly Clarkson. It's the Wolfpack.
What is Wolfpack? You look like a little kid.
Me? We went shopping today. It's really fun. Victoria's Secret. Got some Diet Coke. Jonas Brothers. I'll give you a full-on length tour of my Jonas wall. Actually, Rent is on there, but that's okay. Look at that. There's Cheyenne. And the Muppets. More Cheyenne. Thanks, toi. Up there too. Ooh, more Cheyenne. Woo, missed that one. Woo.
If I forget, it's Spice Alive and Club, Click, Click, Boom.
Okay. Not gonna remember that. I'm gonna have to go back. More Cheyenne. Teddy Geiger. Jonas Brothers. More Jonas Brothers. He's my favorite. Look at him. Oh, there he is again. There too. And right there. More there. 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 And there. And then all of them are right here. And right there. Now, I haven't even showed you my...
Man.
Man. And that's my mirror. That's me. Hello. That's more Jonas Brothers. And Wicked. I like this one. And this is Mary Moo Cow. What did we name her in Miss Taylor's class in 6th grade? Well, this, I think it's Mary Moo Cow.
No,
this is Mary Moo Cow.
It's
like just on you.
Mr. Moo, Mr. Moo Moo.
Yeah, I think Mr. Moo Moo, sorry. He's one of the coolest cows in the world. This is Hedgie.
Hedgie.
He's pretty cool too. He likes to smell you. He says you smell very good. Yes, you smell nice. I smell very nice. My guitar. Luna. Should never named her Luna. Well, this is actually my twin. She was separated at birth from me.
What's the song back? Who's the song back?
Steady as she goes.
No, who's it by?
I don't know. This is Darnie. We're gonna sit on her. She's my makeout. I make out. I'm kidding. Actually, I have one.
Sleep on that dog.
Actually have a video camera. I just don't intend on using it. We're gonna go now.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bridget reaching for her Diet Coke.
Yeah, the funny thing bye is that you turn it off.